that big scanner against the car line.
That nigga says for free Wi-Fi.
He looked it up too. He had me too.
Yes. It is cute. This is a cute car wash, oil change, tire rotated, and emissions. They do it all. The sun came. Let's see. Right. What did I just say? I don't know.
Let me get up out of this. Look,
It's okay.